What do you have? Can you kick the ball? Kick! Oh! Did your hand get wet? Leave your jacket on, please. You're not being a very good listening girl. Mommy asked you to keep your jacket on. You want to get it on?
Okay.
Vienna can do it. That's it. You did it. That's one arm. Can you get the other arm? Nope. Wrong way. That's it. Now pull it around the back. Vienna can do it. Do you need help?
Okay.
I don't think you need help, but here you go. Put one arm in. I can't believe it. 60 degrees today on January 8th. You want the snaps? Can Vienna snap it? Do you need help? The poo has honey? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh! I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Can you do ring around to Rosie? Ring around.